Ever hear someone say, "I've lived here since 5 years"? Ouch! That's one of the most common English mistakes in the world. Let's clear up since versus for. Super simple. Use since for the starting point, a time. I've lived here since 2018. She's worked here since Monday. Use for the duration, how long. I've lived here for 5 years. She's worked here for 2 days. Quick trick. Since equals when it started. For equals how long. So please, don't say since 5 years again, okay? If this helped you finally get it, hit follow for more quick English tips with ESC Grammar and Structure.
Hey everyone, welcome to ESC Grammar and Structure, your channel, where you learn and improve your English grammar and structure.